Hi there, U.S. government students. Mr. Kerr here as we get into week 14, and we're down to the last few weeks here. Big reminder here is that we're kind of splitting the class. The seniors are going to be taking one track from here, and all the non-seniors will be taking a different track. That is, of course, shown here in the suggested schedule. So non-seniors up here, seniors here, and also as you get into the folders, Unit 3, Government in a Global World, seniors only. Only seniors can see the stuff in there, and of course all the non-seniors, you have your folder in the regular color. The senior stuff will be in this purple. So for everyone, just the reminder to go back through your grade book, check everything that's been done, has been due, and hasn't been done. And especially for you seniors, your last day is May 10th, and our suggested schedule will be compacting here, so be sure to stay with this suggested schedule. It is going to get kind of compact from here. And non-seniors, we are getting to the end of the, you guys will only have about a week and a half after that, so your week or Unit 3 won't be as compact, but it's still going to be pretty fast-paced here for everyone the next few weeks. So just a reminder for that, everyone needs to be, take a look at your grade. Are you happy where you're at? Keep on it. If you're not happy with your grade, then do something about it. And the only thing you can do about it is to do current work and do it well and get a good grade on it. Or if you're missing stuff, to go back and do your missing stuff. You can only get 75% credit, but that's a lot better than 0%. If you have anything that you got a really low grade on, talk to me and we can talk about doing it. Also, looking back through the grade book, there are a number of people who have a 1 out of 50 or a 1 out of 100. You turned something in, but it wasn't, either I can't access it, or I can't grade it for some reason, or it was the wrong assignment. Go back and double check that. I'll have told you, wrong assignment, or can't open, you need to share it. Go back and look at those. So if you have a grade of 1 on an assignment, that's not an actual grade. It's not that you got a 1 out of 100, you got a 1%. It's that you need to go back and figure out what went wrong there and fix it. And let me know you fixed it so then I can grade it. All right. If anyone has any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to meet with folks or talk on the phone, text, all that good stuff. So reach out if you have any questions. Remember, seniors, May 10th, everything's got to be turned in by May 10th. And the rest of you are not too far behind that. So let me know, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.